Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So in the previous video, we have successfully did the how to write the HT access code and how to write the Apache server configuration code. We have seen it. Now it's time for us to move on to the front end. So in order to how we can access this secret code. So this is secret file, right? So how we can access the secret file by passing the authentication. Let's try to see it. So this is our index.html file. So let's go into the index.html. And here I will be taking one form, simple form. I want to make it very simple. So here I'll be having one form, and in this one, let's say we are having one label, so username, and it will take one input type is equal to text, and I will write here id is equal to username. Okay, and this form is equal to id is equal to my form. I will try to write it. And another one is label, and here you will be having the password. So this password I will be having another one with the div input, and this one is of type password. Okay, so this is the password, and I will write here id is equal to password. So these are the two fields which we are having right now. id, and here I will be having button get secret message or anything. So anything, so whichever the thing. So if you try to see the output for this one, localhost colon 81 slash basic auth. Okay, so here we are able to see a simple form. Okay, username and password and with a secret button. Now when I use this username and password, we need to show the secret message. And here at the bottom we will be having div id is equal to demo. So we will be having id is equal to demo. Here I need to show the secret message. So fine. So let's move on to the script code. So here I will be having the script code. Okay, let's catch this form. Let my form is equal to document dot get element by id of my form. Okay, I got the form, and I can write my form dot add event listener of submit. I can use this submit, and here I can write in such a way that so when I submit this one, so I need to have a event listener. So in this event listener, what I will try to do, so let username value. So first I will try to get the username value, document dot get element by id of username dot value. So I will get username dot value. Increased the font size. I think that font size is looking a little bit small, I think. So fine, I got the username value, and I am getting the password value also. Password is equal to document dot get element by id of password dot value. I got the username and the password value. So now let's create the XHR object. XHR object is equal to new XML HTTP request. Okay, let's open the request. XHR dot open, and I need to call the get request, and the call I need to make it is the so secret. Inside the secret I need to call the like this. Now XHR dot onload, when this one is loaded, I need to call XHR dot onload is equal to method, and here I can call something like if XHR dot status is equal to 200, then load document dot get element by id of demo. Inside the demo dot inner html equal to XHR dot response text. So I am using this response text. That's it. So now we need to send the request XHR dot send. That's it. So finish. Hopefully everything is finished. So now if I try to see the output, here we are having this basic thing, right? If I go into the inspect element and control, and in the network, oh, what is this? Let's refresh this page. Cannot read of a event listener. What is this null event listener? id. Oh, sorry, this id is wrong. Yeah. Now if you see the output, so now maybe hopefully we should not get any output. Yeah, we should not get any error. Fine. So now I am giving some random error message, and I am trying to refresh this page. Okay, so this one, when I'm clicking on the button, it is refreshing. It should not get refreshed. So that means I need to use e dot prevent default. Okay, so I need to use e dot prevent default. So we have prevented this one, and let's refresh this page. Okay, so now when I am trying to send this message, so now we are able to get the output. Why? Because so this one is already hopefully. Let's try to refresh this page. Yeah, so now we will try to make the request. Yeah, now we are able to get the sign in. See, so it is asking for the sign in. So what it is saying, that it has sent with the response headers. If you try to see, the response headers are sent with the, so the response headers has been sent with the authenticate thing. So www authenticate, it has sent it like this. So we need to register it. So now I need to take this username and password, and we need to send it to the Ajax request instead of asking like that as a pop-up. How can I send this one is, so here I can use xhr dot set request headers. Okay, so we need to set authorization, and here we need to send the request. So here, so let's prepare the auth is equal to, so here let's prepare window dot btoa of, so here I can use username plus colon plus password. So we need to convert it into the base64 encoding. So here we got the auth, and here I can use something like basic, and we need to send this auth. That's it. So we are sending the request header. Now let's see whether we are able to get the output or not. So here I am trying to send some random password, so which is not existing, and if I click here, we are able to get again the output. Why? Because it is still we have entered the wrong one. Okay, we have entered the wrong one. So now what I need, so here I am trying to send the authorization request, which is a wrong username and password. So this time what I will try to do is I will try to give the correct username and password. If I click on the get secret message, so then also it is asking why. So is this one is present or not? So let's try to refresh this page again. I'm refreshing this page again. Okay, so now I will press Leela, and I will try to click on this one. Oh, maybe this one is wrong again. What is the problem we have created? So set request header authorization, auth is equal to username colon password. So we got the password and we got the username. So whether this username and password are correct? Yeah, everything is correct. So what could be the issue here? Yeah, what could be the wrong in this one? So if you try to see here, okay, the wrong is nothing but the username which I am trying to use, it's wrong. So fine. So now let's go into the here host colon 81 slash basic auth. Okay, so now if I try to check in the network, and here if I try to write something like Leela and get secret message, see, I'm able to get the secret message. So here I'm passing that authorization basic and the base64 encode of this Leela and the Leela. So here colon with the like this. So this is how we will be sending. Instead of sending it like this, we can also have another method which is exclusively available in the what I can say in the XHR HTTP object only. So here you can send whether it is synchronous or asynchronous. True means it is asynchronous, and here it will ask you the username and password exclusively for the basic authentication. So here I can send the username and also I can send the password. So this way is also one and the same. It will work fine without any problem. If I try to check here Leela and the Leela secret message, and here see the URL it is trying to send with the username and password. See, so this is how we will be sending, and the request address which we are trying to send is not sending, so we are sending directly the URL. So this is how, so this is also another way which we can send. The underlying thing is the sending the requesting header only, where the fetch API it will not exist. So the authorization and the basic auth we will be sending it like this. So this is how we will be using the basic HTTP basic authentication. Hope you understood about this concept. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.